What up, everyone? This is your boy the gamer coming to you with another review of this watch, the Apple Watch Nike Plus Edition Series 3, and this is what it looks like. And I'm going to show you turning it on and getting it set up with my phone, and well, I'm just going to turn it on. So to get started, turn on your Apple Watch, install the latest version of iOS on your iPhone, then open the Apple Watch app, okay? So we hold this. Okay, it's coming on. There we go. Just wait a little bit. Let's see what it does. Okay, I'm gonna pause you, and when it gets set up, I'll show you more, okay? Hello, so this is my Apple Watch. I got it set up and the new software on it. So this is what it looks like. That's my face. That's the time. And we gotta turn it on. So here, just a minute. Okay, so this is some stuff on it that you can see. This is my messages, how much battery, my heart rate, what date it is, the time, the weather, and then we can click on this. And these are the different things on there, so you can see. So we can you can go on different things we can click on. So I'm gonna click on, we can go to Starbucks, and I could pay if I had money on my Starbucks straight from this watch. I can go back out, I can click on here, I can click down. I don't have anything. I can hold this. Nope, that's wrong. So then I can go just anywhere on the watch. I can click on this, hold it down. I can hold it down. And there's different watch faces you can choose from. So I could choose that one. It's Mickey. I wanted to. I can hold it down again. And I can go to a different watch face. I can do Woody, Buzz, and the Cowgirl. I can click on it. And they do different things on there. Just like interactive one. So this is just a few of the things you can do on the watch. There's a lot more you can do, but if you need any more reviews or need any more setup and want any more know about the watch, you can go to their website, and you can go look at other videos that have more extensive review. And hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment below if you want to. Click on the bell button if you want to be notified, and let me know if you like this video, and have a great day. Bye.